Learn English to Gujarati connectors, insofar as, although, provided that in.
जो के.
Welcome, brave connector collector. Hey, you are about to learn some very clever English to Gujarati linking phrases. And yes, they sound smart enough to impress a teacher, a lawyer, and possibly a very judgmental pigeon. Today you will learn how to say ideas like insofar as, provided that, although, especially since, under the premise that, assuming that, and provided that in Gujarati. Your key phrases are
જ્યાં સુધી, જો કે, ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે, આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે, ધારીને કે,
and.
એ શરતે કે.
Take a breath. You do not need to master them all at once. Even the cat in this chapter will struggle with legal Gujarati. Your mission today. You are not just memorizing words. You are learning how to connect ideas like a calm, confident genius. Use.
જ્યાં સુધી.
For, insofar as or, to the extent that. Use.
જો કે.
And also the more formal condition phrase.
એ શરતે કે.
For, provided that, depending on context. Use.
જો કે.
For, although. Use.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
For, especially since. Use.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
For, under the premise that. Use.
ધારીને કે.
For, assuming that. A tiny story with big connectors. Let us throw all the phrases into one silly little story. If the story feels dramatic, good. Drama helps memory. Ravi wanted to host a rooftop tea party. He agreed to keep it simple.
જ્યાં સુધી.
The budget stayed low. His cousin said, I will come.
જો કે.
You make enough snacks. Grandma smiled and said,
જો કે.
The weather looks suspicious, we can still prepare. Then the sky turned dark.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
Thunder started doing its best action movie impression. The family continued planning.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
The rain would pass quickly. Ravi set out the cups.
ધારીને કે.
Everyone would arrive on time. The final decision was, the party could happen.
એ શરતે કે.
Nobody complained about wet samosas. Reader, listener, friend, somebody complained about wet samosas. Phrase by phrase. Now we slow down and make each connector easy to hear and easy to use. You have got this. Insofar as equals.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Example. I agree.
જ્યાં સુધી.
The plan stays simple. Provided that equals.
જો કે.
Example. You can go outside.
જો કે.
It does not rain. Although equals.
જો કે.
Example.
જો કે.
It was raining, we went outside. Especially since equals.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
Example. I stayed home.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
It started raining. Under the premise that equals.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
Example. We can continue.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
Everyone agrees. Assuming that equals.
ધારીને કે.
Example.
ધારીને કે.
It rains, we will stay inside. Provided that, formal clause style equals.
એ શરતે કે.
Example. You may join.
એ શરતે કે.
You follow the rules. Mini dialogue circus. Time for quick conversations. Read them, hear them, and enjoy the mild chaos. A. Do you support the idea? B. Yes.
જ્યાં સુધી.
It remains practical. A. Can I borrow the car? B. Yes.
જો કે.
You return it by 6. A. The weather is awful. B.
જો કે.
We can still go if we carry your umbrellas and emotional strength. A. Why did you cancel the picnic? B.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
The sky looked like it wanted revenge. A. Can we accept this conclusion? B. Only.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
The evidence is reliable. A. What if the train is late? B.
ધારીને કે.
It is late, we will take a bus. A. May I join the secret cookie club? B. Yes.
એ શરતે કે.
You never call biscuits, flat cakes, again. Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. Ridiculous memory tricks work because your brain likes weird things. Very rude of the brain, but useful. 4.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Imagine walking to a fence and stopping exactly where the fence ends. That is the limit, insofar as. 4.
जो के.
Imagine a gatekeeper named Joe saying, okay, but only if. 4.
जो के.
Remember, it sounds like joke, but it means although. The word may sound funny, but the grammar is serious. 4.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
Think special reason because. That is basically the meaning. 4.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
Picture a lawyer standing under a giant sign that says, premise first. 4.
ધારીને કે.
Imagine making a plan based on a guess and hoping the universe cooperates for once. 4.
એ શરતે કે.
Picture a contract with tiny dramatic music playing in the background. Quick drill, no panic. I say the English idea, and you try the Gujarati phrase in your head. If you get one wrong, congratulations, you are a human. Insofar as. Answer.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Provided that. Answer.
જો કે.
Although. Answer.
જો કે.
Especially since. Answer.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
Under the premise that. Answer.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
Assuming that. Answer.
ધારીને કે.
Provided that, formal condition clause. Answer.
એ શરતે કે.
Challenge mode. Now let us build smarter sentences. You are ready for the fancy stuff. Say, insofar as I know, the meeting is tomorrow. Gujarati key phrase.
જ્યાં સુધી.
Say, I will help you provided that you ask politely. Gujarati key phrase.
જો કે.
Say, although he was tired, he kept working. Gujarati key phrase.
જો કે.
Say, she was tired, especially since she had worked all day. Gujarati key phrase.
ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે.
Say, the argument works only under the premise that the data are correct. Gujarati key phrase.
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
Say, assuming that this is true, what should we do next? Gujarati key phrase.
ધારીને કે.
Say, you may join, provided that you follow the rules. Gujarati key phrase.
એ શરતે કે.
Tiny culture and style tip. Here is a useful secret. Not all connectors feel equally casual. Some wear a t-shirt and some wear a courtroom suit. Phrases like
જો કે.
and
જો કે.
are often easier to hear in general speech and writing. Phrases like
આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે.
and
એ શરતે કે.
feel more formal, analytical, or legal. So if you suddenly use a very formal phrase while asking for more chutney, people may understand you, but they may also suspect you are drafting a treaty. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You made it through some advanced connectors without falling into a grammar crater. Today you practiced.
જ્યાં સુધી. જો કે. જો કે. ખાસ કરીને કારણ કે. આ પૂર્વધારણા હેઠળ કે. ધારીને કે.
And
એ શરતે કે.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the phrases out loud, reuse them in your own sentences, and come back again soon. Your Gujarati is growing, one clever connector at a time.